What's up YouTube? Back at it again with another YouTube video. Here I have a pair of Nike Air Jordan 1 mids. These are the Mystic Navy White Foams. I believe that's what the colorway is. I found these to be extremely good looking mids. I mean, here they are. Pretty solid colorway if you ask me. I mean, you got like a Tiffany green with some navy blue and some white. Good color blocking as well. That means the right colors are in the right spaces. Got the Jordan logo right here. All in all, it's a pretty nice shoe. I'm obviously going to throw them on here in a second. Now, if you want to get yourself a pair of these for yourself, there is a StockX affiliate marketing link in the description. You can click that link and you'll be able to find out how much the shoe will cost in pretty much any size. If you want, you can put in a little bid. Maybe you'll save some money. Some people will be desperate and sell to you one day. Probably not going to be me, but you never know. Gonna pull out the little stuff in here. Usually mids have like a single cardboard piece stuffing. For some reason these mids have paper stuffing. Slightly confused by that, but I mean, I've seen a lot of different sneakers come in a lot of different packaging, so I'm not going to question it too much. Here I have on a pair of Tech Fleece pants. Now, if you don't know what to wear with sneakers, you can't really go wrong with joggers. Especially joggers that have like a nice silhouette to them. If you're looking for a pair of joggers for yourself, may I suggest the Amazon affiliate link in the description. You'll also see a link for a pair of jeans, but I'm going to throw those on later in the video. Pair of Nike Tech Fleece. You may have seen these before in one of my videos. I believe it's made out of like recycled material. That's why there's a bunch of these little colors here. I mean, come on. This is a great looking sneaker. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm heavily invested in this shoe. By heavily, I mean I have like a few pairs. I would like for them to go up in value, so if you could buy them up, wear them, buy more, wear them, I would benefit from that greatly. And I mean, look at the video. Like, it's a nice pair of shoes. I feel like it's a win-win. I might have to throw these on with a pair of black jeans, just so you can see how they look with the jeans. All in all, it's a great shoe. I'll be right back with some jeans. So I threw on a pair of black nudies. I did pin roll them at the bottom. You can see how that looks. They're pretty clean, if you ask me. I might do a video on the watch later. It's a pretty old tag here. Hoyer, tag Hoyer. I don't know how to pronounce it very well. Here we are with the black jeans. The black jeans look pretty good too. I mean, what can I say? It's a good looking pair of shoes. If you want a pair for yourself, again, links in the description. You can probably get them for a reasonable price right now. They're probably going to go up in the future. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's a pair of nice Jordan 1 mids. Check them out yourself. I'll try and show you them in a little bit more detail right now. Great shoe if you ask me. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.